Welcome to a new episode of Englicast. Did you know that love and change are not just emotional ideas? In this episode, we're going on an educational journey where you will learn new words that describe feelings of healing and freedom, but don't think it's going to be boring. We will mix exciting stories with language lessons, so get ready to learn and have fun at the same time. At the beginning of the story, I lived in a safe place, and I thought I had found the person I would spend my life with. But what if this love was just an illusion? The word illusion, something that appears to be real but isn't, is the first new word we'll learn today. Illusion means something that seems real but isn't. This happens in the desert when you think you see water from a distance, but it's not actually there. Have you ever felt like this? Think about a time when something seemed perfect at first, but later you found out it was just an illusion. What was that moment like? Try it yourself. Can you write a sentence using the word illusion? Days passed, and the truth slowly started to show. I was in a state of confusion. Confusion means not understanding something clearly or feeling uncertain. Have you ever been in a situation where you didn't know what to do because you were confused? How did you handle that moment? Try it yourself. Try to write a sentence using the word confusion. At that moment, I felt that everything in my life had vanished. Vanished means something disappearing suddenly. Have you ever experienced something disappearing from your life unexpectedly? How did that affect you? Try it yourself. Use the word vanished in a short sentence. The biggest surprise came when I realized I didn't need to hold on to the past, but instead, I needed to embrace change. Change means moving from one state or condition to another. Have you ever thought about the changes that might happen in your life? Are you ready to accept change? Try it yourself. Now, use the word change in a sentence where you describe a change in your life. As I said, change isn't always easy. It requires strength. Strength means the ability to endure or resist something, whether physically or emotionally. Have you ever faced a situation where you needed strength to overcome it? What was that moment like? Try it yourself. Talk about that moment using the word strength and describe your inner strength when you faced that challenge. Now, can you tell me about a time when you felt you needed strength to face change? Share your experience in the comments and try using the new words you've learned, such as illusion, confusion, change, and strength, in your sentences for at least 3 days. Finally, I discovered that I don't need someone else to complete me. I was already whole, and I felt free. Freedom is the last word in our story today. Freedom means the state of being free, when you let go of the past and live in the present. Have you ever felt true freedom after letting go of something old? How can freedom change your life? Try it yourself. Write a sentence using freedom to express how you feel about freedom. If you've gone through something similar, remember that life isn't always as it seems, and you can always change and feel free. Today, we learned a lot of new words, including freedom. Try to use these words in your daily life. How was your experience learning new words? Do you have questions about any word? Share it in the comments. Let's continue our journey of learning together because each step brings you closer to mastering English. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.